And this is day number 39 of the 5 Luo Words a Day. Welcome to the Luo English Dictionary channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing or supporting the channel by clicking on the join button. Today's video we shall talk about 5 words, that is alongo, alot, alucha, aluf, and aluga. So the first word is alongo. Alongo. Alongo is a brass or iron necklace. In a sentence you can say Atieno orwako alongo eng'ute. Atieno orwako alongo eng'ute. Oopsie. Atieno orwako alongo eng'ute. Secondly, you can talk about alot. Any mass of green vegetables is called alot or alode. Some people say alote. So you can say alote or alode. Alote or alode. Our third word is alucha. Alucha. Stiltly. Orwino wuotho alucha chalni wiye kuot gi tim ma otimono. Owino wuotho alucha chalni wiye kuot gi tim ma otimono. So Owino is walking stiltily, ashamed of what is just transpired. The fourth one is aluf. Aluf. Aluf is 1000, but it's more known by the word Ghana. Ghana. Aluf or Ghana. Aluf masani ok nyal nyiewo chiemo mayieng'o dhano adek. Aluf masani ok nyal nyiewo chiemo mayieng'o dhano adek. So the currency value of 1000 cannot sustain 3 people's meal. That's the meaning. Then the next one is aluga. Aluga. Aluga is prostitution. Some people say chode. Chode. Timbe mag aluga nyalo weyi gi tuoche ma ok changi. Timbe mag aluga nyalo weyi gi tuoche ma ok changi. Timbe mag aluga nyalo weyi gi tuoche ma ok changi. Good, that's the end of the video and I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to our channel to get more of this, and then I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.